a bit in there.
Okay.
If it'll open.
I doubt it'll open. Well, that wasn't that dramatic.
Really dramatic. When are you going to stop?
Is the washing machine broken now then, is it?
No. Something must be clogging it. The mat is disintegrating, so that's probably what's clogged it up, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh. This lighting though.
That's what's clogged it. Well, there's a thing down here, Sal.
I'm getting wet feet, Mum.
Oh. Sorry. Here, look, look. What happens if I open that? That's supposed to be the filter.
Well, I think you're going to get a lot of water.
Yeah. Just got stuck. I just went round and round and round. And ran out of petrol. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a drip. Oh. Yeah, but all the rest is going to come out, isn't it? So let me get that out
of your
bits
mat.
Of mat. Disintegrating mat. I wonder how much more is in it. Doing anything. Here we go. Told you.
Oh, you just flooded the house now, Jane.
It's alright, it's the outhouse. Now where's the filter?
No, she just flooded the kitchen.
Yeah. Oh, is that the filter? Is that it?
It's not blocked though.
So there's supposed to be something there?
Don't know.
So there's supposed to be a filter or something?
It's
probably at the back, isn't it?
That shouldn't be enough to block it, to like not let water through though.
Oh yeah, where's it going to go?
That's not that big.
Might be some more in there yet. Don't know what's in there, to be honest. You get your phone down in there and we can have a look.
Oh, it's all wet, Jane.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm getting soaked. I don't want to be here anymore.
Just have a look down the hole. You show me what's down there. I'll try it now, see if it comes out. Right, so anyway, place needs a good whopping anyway, so let's put this filter back in. Ah, right, okay. Apparently that's the drain pipe, so you could pull that out and drained it properly. But I'm too impatient. It's one of the two things you could do. You could do that, or you could go on the internet and see somebody who's actually done it properly. Anyway. The floor's nice and clean now. Right, that's that. Wound it shut. That drain pipe, right, you can blow it back and make sure there's nothing else in the filter. Right, so you've got to position it there. Else it won't shut. There we go. See, I'm learning. Every day's a learning day. Right, let's see. Shall we just try spin and drain maybe? Or even rinse. What about rinse? That sounds good. Oh, I can't see the buttons, it's too bright. Yeah, that's a no spin. Right, we'll see if it comes out. Okay, 9 minutes. It's quite a long time. Ooh. Sounds a bit wonky. It's a bit buzzy. I'm not having any rinse either. Have a look at it. Oh, I might sound that. I'll switch it off. Hang on. spin and drain. I like the spin, I don't want the spin. See the light? That's better. Okay, let's try that one. Oh, can't open it. I might think it's still on the other programme, hang on. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. See that number there? I might just phone that. Oh well, I tried. I'm just doing the test wash and it seems to be okay. It's like reset itself, hopefully. Hopefully it will get out this time. We'll see. Exciting, isn't it?